In the last videos, I created a basic motor circuit, and I've assigned some real parts at the background to some elements, to some devices in this design, in this project. And also I've shown you how you can use a contactor and its contacts, and also the normally open and normally closed contacts of a motor protection relay. So as a next step, I will create the automatically generated manufacturing plans. So here we have terminal plan, cable plan, terminal connection plan, device list, manufacturer list, bill of materials, wiring list, part list, purchase order list, cover page, table of contents, and device and terminal PLC plan. So I say yes, so it means create all these pages. So as you can see here in the project tree, I've designed only 2 pages, but Cofaso gives me total 19 pages, so 17 pages more. So let's start with the cover page, and here normally you can edit the information here. These information are coming from the project opening page in the first place when I start to create a new project. So here you can use your own logo, etc. Let me show you very fast, very easily, how can you change the cover page or plot frames, etc. For example, you come here from the Cofaso main menu, extras, parameters, and here plot frames and forms. Here you choose, for example, cover page, and here we have some examples. This one, or this one. Okay, let's for now let's use this one. Okay, I say okay. Table of contents. So here, as you can see, there are 2 things missing here. And I come this here, right mouse button, properties, and page designation, motor circuits. I say okay. And this one, let's say Cofaso. I say okay. And I go again, table of contents, and here you see these changes are seen here automatically. So in Cofaso, when you edit something online, every changes is also updated at the background. So the next plan is terminal plan. Here you can see X1, X2, X3, X4, the terminal strips, and the reference, the page and path, and the cable name, cable type, and terminal plan basically shows which connection coming from where and going to where. So okay, let me make a little change here. Here we have four strips, as you can see, and I go to my project page, and I say these 8 terminals belonging to X5. I say okay, and let's make a numbering here. Let's number the terminals, and yeah, now I have the right numbers, and I go to terminal plan. As you can see, this strip now is X5, only X1, X2, X5, and here I have 8 terminals. And I will also make another change here. As you can see, the function is terminal, and I again choose this 8 terminal, and I say here is the function text. I say these are motor terminals. I say okay. I go to terminal plan. I say yes, and let me look again. Here I couldn't change the. Yeah, okay. Yes. Yeah, here you can see the function is changed. The function text is now motor instead of terminal. So I go to cable plan. Okay, before when I designed the motor circuit, I've explained a little bit why I'm gonna choose 5 conductors instead of 4 to this cable, because in the projects many times this happens very often. So as you can see, the system, the Cofaso, as a wise system, it knows why, or it knows, for example, normally my 4th conductor is the PE conductor, is the PE connection. But the system is wise and it assigns the 5th conductor as a PE conductor. So I can later on use this 4th conductor for another purpose. So this is also cable plan. So this is terminal connection plan. Terminal connection plan is actually very important in our processes. I can say, for example, especially for the machine manufacturers, this plan is very important, because this is the same plan as this one here, but this is more of a image instead of like a project. This is more complex, but this is a better picture. Like it's a better view, so you can see which connection is coming from where and going to. This is we have a terminal strip. So with which cable and which conductor and in the field, which motor, which connection designation. So this side is the inside the panel, and after the terminal, this is the outside of the panel. So field. This is the field. So okay, I've made before a little change, so I would like to create again the terminal connection plans. So as you remember, just before I've changed the eight terminals to I put them in the same terminal strip X5. So here you see the difference. X5 strip here, and out of the panel field, and also inside the panel. So device list, the next list, I see every devices I've used in my project in this list. Also these ones here. So manufacturer list, Cofaso creates single page, each page for each manufacturer. So for example, this list for Siemens, where I've chosen Siemens parts, like the part number, amount, the model number, you can see in this list. So this was for the cable I've chosen, and as you can see here, I have 4. And bill of materials. This is like a naked bill of materials. So item designation, quantity designation, type number, supplier, and if I comment something here, it will be also shown. So wiring list. Okay, wiring list. I would like to show something important, but actually numbering is a huge topic. I cannot explain all the numbering topic in this video, but I will make a little example. I come here to wires and I say I don't change anything in this window, and I say only number, and here you will see the numbers are given automatically, but I would like to make a change here. For example, I don't want these numbers. I want to assign here L1, L2, L3 as a number. So I come again, and I find the potential arrows here, and I change them, set symbol number to connected wire, and I say again number. I say okay. Now you see this now L1, L3, L2, L3, and the numbers are here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I also want to make a little change. For example, I want to change the format here. So format is here is the I want to change the first number as a page number. So as you can see, I need to change the first letter here as a B, so then I can have the page number as a first number of a conductor. So I say number. As you can see, I'm here in the third page, and I have as a conductor number like 3/1, 3/2. So I again go to my wiring list. So all my numbers are here now. I can export this list as an Excel file, and then I can give this. I come here, show from the main menu, and I say export wiring list as Excel. So I can export it to somewhere. Then I can give that Excel list to the printing machine for the labeling. So generally this process takes lots of time in a panel manufacturing process. So this saves lots of time. And part list as a next. By the way, I can also use my mouse wheel. When I scroll it, as you can see, it goes every page like this very, very fast. So part list. Part list, I see in this list every part I've assigned at the background like this. So purchase order list. Purchase order list. When this is a when you can see the total cost of your project, of course without labor cost, but you can see all the you can give this to your purchasing department directly. So here the prices, and here also the total amount of this project.